a challenge. Can the DeWalt 20V Max handle my toughest job? Let's find out. 60 seconds, 2 big tasks. Task 1. Drill through solid wood, fast. Task 2. Drive heavy-duty screws into dense lumber. Here's my old drill. Let's see its speed. Starting the timer. Old drill struggles, slow progress, bit slips. LED light barely helps in this dark corner. Time's up. Only halfway through, hands tired. Now, DeWalt 25 Max. Ready, set, go. Compact, lightweight, fits perfectly in my hand. Drill per driver. Dual speed, 0450, 01500 RPM. Powerful motor, 300 unit watts out, no stalling. LED footlight, bright, no shadows at all. Effortlessly drills through the wood, smooth. Switch to impact driver for heavy screws. One-handed loading, quick bit change. 3 LED ring, clear view, even in corners. Compact 5.55-inch design, fits tight spaces. 117 free in-lbs torque, drives screws with ease. Timer still running, almost finished. No fatigue, ergonomic grip keeps me comfortable. Done, both tasks completed in under 60 seconds. Let's compare results. Old drill versus DeWalt. Old drill, slow, incomplete, messy holes. DeWalt, clean, fast, precise, no struggle. My face says it all, impressed and relieved. Let's break down why DeWalt wins. Lightweight design, easy on your arms. Compact size, gets into any tight spot. Dual speed transmission, perfect control. 300 UWO power, handles any material. Ratcheting chuck, tight bit grip, no slipping. Impact driver, one-handed loading, quick swaps. 3 LED ring, work anywhere, anytime. Lithium-ion batteries, long-lasting, fast recharge. Durable carrying bag, grab-and-go convenience. Perfect for contractors, DIYers, homeowners alike. From big jobs to quick fixes, always ready. No more struggling with outdated tools. No more working in the dark. No more tired hands or wasted time. Every feature designed for real job site needs. Power, precision, and comfort, no compromises. Still not convinced? Watch this. Drill through metal, no problem. Drive long screws into hardwood, effortless. Switch between drill and driver in seconds. LED lights up every corner, every angle. Fits in tight cabinets, under sinks, overhead. No cord, total freedom, work anywhere. Battery swap fast, no downtime. All-day performance, every project. Look at that finish, professional quality. If you want reliable results, choose DeWalt. Stop wasting time with weak tools. Upgrade to power, speed, and control. Ready for your next project? So is DeWalt. From building decks to hanging shelves, covered. Every screw, every hole, perfect every time. Join thousands of pros who trust DeWalt. Don't settle for less. Get the job done right. I'll never use my old drill again. This combo kit changed my workflow. Compact, powerful, and built to last. Ready to level up your toolbox? Click the link. Grab your DeWalt 20V Max now. Experience the difference. Challenge accepted, challenge conquered. DeWalt 20V Max Combo Kit. Power in your hands.